Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to put the drive line in. There it is, aluminum drive line. Got new U-joints. Got a bucket of rear differential oil there. 3 quarts of transmission fluid got to put in as well. Of course, the drive line goes into the transmission there and back underneath the tunnel. And it hooks up to the rear axle, rear differential right there. As you can probably see, I put some grease on the input spline shaft on the outside and inside on the teeth. Okay, now we'll go down to the other end and hook it up to the differential. As you probably can see, I've got some tape around here to hold the joints in place. Okay, now I've got these brackets that go on and hold the spider bearing into the rear differential. Oh, of course, I need to move the drive shaft forward so I can get it in there. Here we go. One. There's 2. Make sure everything's seated. Looks good. Some lock nuts to put on, plus a little blue Loctite just in case. Okay, now we're going to put the drive shaft loop, front one, back in. Set her down on there. And we'll just put the bolts in from underneath and tighten her down. Okay, now we're going to grease the universal joints. Already done the front one, just doing the back one now. Got some special Spicer grease that I'm using. Okay, here's the cool thing about most race cars anyway, is It's usually pretty easy to get in here and access the tranny fill. Okay, drain out a little bit. I'll spin the drive line a little bit, kind of get it worked around in there a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to let that sit for a while, kind of seep in between the gears and stuff, and then I'll check it again later and top it off if it needs it. Okay, it's time to fill the rear differential. The way I'm going to do that, so I've got this thing that looks like a grease gun. It's actually a suction thing. You can use it for sucking up all kinds of fluids and stuff. I've got 85 140 Mobil 1 synthetic gear oil in here. Just stick this thing in, and depending on how cold the fluid is, depends on how fast it's going to suck it up. If it's really cold, it's going to take you a while. If it's warm, not too bad. You got a rag here, so you can wipe off the extra, and then we'll go put it in the car. Okay, over here at the rear axle, there's a plug in the side here. This is a 3/8 square drive extension to get it out. Get my drain pan underneath. Hope I don't get in the way too much while I'm doing this. Okay, here's my suction thing full of gear oil. Just stick it in the hole here. Start pushing. Okay, there's that one. I'll go get another load. Yeah, here it comes. Plug in real quick. Okay, we'll tighten up this plug. Okay, that's nice and snug. Wipe her off. And we'll call her good. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.